To make money from YouTube, you can follow these steps. 1. Create compelling content. Start by producing high-quality videos that cater to a specific audience or niche. Engaging content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. 2. Enable monetization. Once you've met YouTube's eligibility criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. 3. Ad revenue. Google AdSense is the program through which you'll earn money. This allows you to monetize your videos through ads. YouTube pays you a percentage of the revenue generated from the ads displayed on your videos. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your content in your videos and include affiliate links in the description. You'll earn a commission for each sale made through those links. 5. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows, you might receive offers from companies to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a lucrative source of income. 6. Merchandise and products. If you have a strong brand and engaged audience, consider selling merchandise or your own products related to your content. 7. Crowdfunding and donations. Platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships allow your viewers to support you directly in exchange for special perks or content. 8. Licensing content. If you create unique and original content, you can license it to other media outlets, which can be a significant revenue stream. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort. Focus on creating content that resonates with your audience, and as your viewership grows, so will your opportunities to monetize.